In this video, we will show you how to change signature in Microsoft Outlook. To change your default signature, it's very easy. First example, in here, we can open our Outlook. Okay, after you open our Outlook, then just click settings. Okay, after that, select signatures. And you can see there, this is our signature. To edit the signature, first, for example, we have just only one. You can drop down this and make sure the signature that you want to edit is correct. For example, we will add this is change like this, and you can select the default signature for new message. Okay, and for replace or forward, just click save after that. After we change like this, we can see we can try to create new message, and voila, the signature have been changed. Let's remove this and try to edit again to make sure we successfully edit the signatures. Okay, number 3 like this, and click save. Okay, make sure the signature that you want to edit is correct, because if you have more signature like this, for example, this is Iba like this, for example, this one, and we can just click save. If you have two signature like this, to edit, you need just select the signature that you want to edit like that. So we can just type the number 4, for example, and click save. You can also adjust the signature, okay, that you want to change. And let's try to create new email. Now your signature successfully has been changed. And that's all tutorial how to change the signature in Microsoft Outlook. If you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.